back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today is your first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have your body. So welcome. Yes, so today we're going to be learning about our body part and body part rhymes that we have in Yoruba language. Okay, but before we go into that, as you know, we will be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. Let us go. All right, on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, a kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Tí òní bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí máa wá sórí ètò, ẹ wò ó, inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí ẹ káàbọ̀. Ní orí ètò lónìí, a máa kọ́ nípa àwọn ẹ̀yà ara ní èdè Yorùbá. A sì máa kọ́ àwọn orin wa náà tí a fi mọ ẹ̀yà ara ní èdè Yorùbá. Àmọ́ kí n tó lọ padà bá àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni màá máa fi kọ́ wọn. Mo kàn fẹ́ pe àkíyèsí sí àwọn nǹkan kan. Ṣé rí inú dídùn a máa mórí yá wá. Bí mo ti ń ṣe àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ yìí tí mò ń gbé jáde lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa bá wa pín láàárín àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ará ojúlùmọ̀. Ṣé ẹ rí pín torí ọṣẹ náà tí kò bá ṣe nítorí tí ẹ bá wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, ẹ bá wa pín ṣòye yẹn, jẹ́ ká jọ fi ọ̀rọ̀ jomi tó rọrọ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ gbóríyìn fún mi, gbogbo ẹ̀ ni mo rí. Ẹ ṣé gidigidi gan-an, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ ṣé o. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, mo ń padà lọ bá àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan. All right, guys. So today we're just going to learn about the basic body parts, okay? And then we will learn the other body parts, okay, at a later stage, okay? So, head is Ori, Ori, okay? Your eyes is Oju, Oju, okay? Yes. Your nose is Imu, Imu, yes. Your mouth is Enu, Enu. Your ears is Eti, Eti, okay? Your shoulder is Ejika, Ejika, okay? Ejika, beautiful. Your knees is Orúnkún, okay? Orúnkún. And your feet is Ẹsẹ̀, Ẹsẹ̀, okay? So we're gonna take it again. Your head is Ori. Your eyes is Oju. Your nose is Imu. Your mouth is Enu. Your shoulder is Ejika. Your knees is Orúnkún. And your feet is Ẹsẹ̀. Okay? So, like I said earlier, there is a song as well. Just the way in English you've got my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Yes, so we've got as well. The Yoruba version of that song is Orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, tìrẹ ni Olúwa pátápátá. Wow, that's it. So let's take it again. All right. Orí mi. Yes. Orúnkún. Yes. Orí mi. Yes. Ẹsẹ̀. Yes. Orí mi. Yes. Tìrẹ ni Olúwa pátápátá. Well done, guys. That was so good. And remember last week as well, we learned another rhyme as well last week. Can you remember? Yes, the days of the week. Yes. So I got some recordings last week. I got some really nice videos and voice notes, okay, which I'm going to be showing very shortly, so you can see how you guys are really doing well. You're really trying. I am so impressed. Well done. Okay. And remember, I'll be prompting you when to say our Odabo. All right. So let me quickly speak to our parents. Okay. Ohun àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi níbi tí wọ́n ti ń kọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí a ti kọ́ ní àwọn ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ti kọjá sẹ́yìn. Abala tó kàn nísìnyí ni abala àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ olùkọ́ àti daycare. Ẹ wá wo àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, kẹ́ bá mi gbóríyìn fún wọn. Ó yá, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Afternoon is káàsán. Evening is káalẹ́. Or kúrọ̀lẹ́. Okay, that's the only way you don't add K. You add K. Kúrọ̀lẹ́, kúrọ̀lẹ́. Okay. Kúrọ̀lẹ́. Yeah. Ajá, bí bàtà, di dókítà, ní ẹ̀kú, ẹyẹ. Fífìlà, gagu. Gagu, okay. Gagu. So what's good morning? Carol. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Good job, Nimi. Where's Musadoluwa? Musadoluwa, your turn. Okay. What's good morning? Carol. What's good afternoon? Good evening. Good night. Oh, good job. So now it's time to watch today's one. Okay, Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Let's do a review of what we have learned. So Àìkú is Sunday. Àìkú, Ajé, Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́dé, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì, Àbámẹ́ta. Olùkọ́ ti Daycare látẹ̀wọ́. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun ẹ̀yin ọmọ, ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Mo dúpẹ́ ìyá wa àtẹ̀yin bàbá wa fún àwọn iṣẹ́ takuntakun tẹ́ ń ṣe lórí àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. All right, guys, it is time to say our Odabo on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Odabo, thank you very much.